Today I will be showing you how to extrude in Onshape. To start, make sure you already have a sketch created in your workspace. Once your sketch is ready, click on it to select the sketch you want to extrude. This sketch will serve as the base shape for your 3D object. Next, go to the toolbar and click on the Extrude tool. When the Extrude menu appears, select the sketch if it is not automatically selected. After that, set the distance or depth of the extrusion. You can either drag the arrow that appears on the screen or type in a specific value to control how far the shape extends. This allows you to create precise and accurate 3D forms. Once you're satisfied with the depth and direction of the extrusion, review your settings to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click the check button beside Sketch 1 to confirm and finalize the extrusion. Your flat sketch will now turn into a 3D solid. And that's how you extrude in Onshape. Thank you for watching.